And here we are, less than 24 hours. Derek Chauvin's fate will likely be in the hands of a jury.
Closing arguments are scheduled for tomorrow morning, wrapping up the former officer's weeks-long trial. Hannah Flood joining us now to explain what we can expect in court tomorrow. Hannah?
Hey, Kelsey and Amy, two big things will happen in court tomorrow. Each side will present their closing arguments, and then the jury will get their instructions before being sent out for deliberations. Closing arguments are a chance for each side to make their final pleas to the jury. For the defense, that will mean pointing out shortcomings in the state's case and reminding jurors of some of the holes that they poked in that case. For the state, it means going over each one of these charges and proving that they provided enough evidence to convict Chauvin of each charge, and each of these charges have very specific details. Overall, the state needs to prove two main components. One, Officer Chauvin's actions were outside what a reasonable officer would do, and two, those actions caused George Floyd's death.
State has a lot to cover. There's usual belief that you get past a certain point, the jury loses interest no matter what you're talking about. But they've got a lot to cover, and they've got, 3 different charges to cover. So it may take a couple hours for them to get through that.
Now, the state will start with their closing arguments, and then it will be the defense's turn. Then the state will get a rebuttal to the defense, meaning the state gets the final word in court. After that, Judge Cahill will give the jury their instructions. Then they'll be sent off to deliberations, sequestered in hotel rooms with no phone, no TV, and extremely limited contact to the outside world until they reach a verdict.
This is really what it's all about, is the jury making the decision. One of the big things you come to realize when you're trying cases is it comes down to them making their decision. It's not about how good of a trial they tried, how good of a trial was tried by the other one. It's all so you can give it to them and they can go make the decision.
Now, jurors will get to look over evidence like videos while they're deliberating. They need a unanimous decision on each charge, and they can find Chauvin guilty of some charges and not guilty of others. Those closing arguments are scheduled to start tomorrow morning at 9:15.
All right, thanks, Hannah, and we will be there to cover it. Fox 9's gavel-to-gavel coverage of the Derek Chauvin trial resumes tomorrow morning, with closing arguments set at 9 a.m. As we've had throughout this trial, we will bring it to you live with analysis from legal experts.